Hi, in the new version of 4 Designer, we've added a great new tool called the line graph. This can be accessed from the complex asset strip where we have a number of pre-made line graphs available. Of course, you can customize these to match the look and feel of what you want to achieve inside your scene. So first of all, I'm going to drop an asset into the scene for the line graph. And this contains a background grid with axes for the different data and initially 2 lines. So I can take a look at the new grid object to see how the text will be formatted, the style of text that will be used. I can change the grid outline to be a thin grid, thick grid. I can adjust the layout to be centered, etc. for each of the legends along the side. And I can also adjust the shifting manually. It will automatically generate the labels according to the data that's in use. In this case, we have a maximum minimum range that we're getting from an internal connection, and then it will plot the data inside. And it will do this using lines with data series inside them. So you can see we have 2 lines in here, a yellow and a blue line, and these are receiving data which we can see inside the export array. If I just change the value that's in here to, let's say, 15, the line will adjust automatically. So each of these values is exported. If I click on the little shortcut here, I can see the array values like so. So I can also send this as a string of data from the controllers if I want to. So instead of 31, let's put in 100, and the line now jumps off the top of the screen. So I have all of the controls that I need over the data in here, and I can use this to build the line graph inside. I can also add new lines to the graph just by copying and pasting the asset, and then all I need to do is to go to the data series inside, and then I can clone and refer to have a new data series. And when I select this, let's put in, I have a new line appearing like so. So let me just separate the color and change this line to be red. So now I can have 2 different sets of data inside my lines very easily. So it's very easy to add new data sets to the line graph from within 4 Designer, so you can customize it according to the needs that you have. If I just hide this graph for a moment and drop in another asset, I'm going to drop in the combo chart. So this shows a different style of chart based upon the same assets. In this case, I also have an animation of a mask that's revealing each of the values inside the scene, and you'll see that these also have labels at each of the data points inside the graph, showing the data as it's appearing on screen. So really you can customize these to have area fills, different styles of line, different styles of data point, according to the look that you wish to achieve. And I think this will be a really good way of accelerating, getting data to air, and making templates for line graphs very easily without having to build everything from scratch. Thank you very much for watching.